Good morning, friends. Let's talk about daily commodity commentary and technical levels. Yesterday, we have noticed that gold prices were closed on a positive note, and today also traded on a positive side, increased by 1.24%, and silver also increased by 1.96% and trading around 49,000. This was due to as Federal Bank given a gloomy projection for US economy. This will increase the safe haven demand for gold and silver, and we have noticed that dollar index is trading around 96 with a weaker note. So this will impact on positively on bullion segment. So for intraday, gold has a strong support at 46,450, resistance at 47,100. Silver has a strong support at 47,700, resistance at 49,300. So we are recommending buy in gold and silver for intraday perspective. Since the trend is positive, so we are recommending the buy in gold and silver. Now let's talk about base metal. Yesterday we have noticed that all base metal were traded on a positive note. On the back of resume of the major economies, increased demand of the base metal and decreased inventories in LME will support the base metal prices. So for intraday perspective, we are expecting the positive trend still remains same, and base metal will trade on a positive note for intraday perspective. Copper has a strong support at 446, resistance at 457. Zinc has a strong support at 162, resistance at 170. So we are recommending buy in base metal on a dip. Now let's talk about the crude oil prices. Today crude oil prices open with a gap down, almost 2% down, as the inventory increased yesterday. So this will impact on negatively on the crude oil prices. International market crude oil trading around $38.30 per barrel. We are expecting some profit booking, some negative trend may seen in crude oil prices. So for intraday perspective, crude oil has a strong support at 2810, resistance at 3070. So we are recommending some selling activity may be seen in crude oil prices. So we are recommending sell in crude oil prices. Now if we look after the agriculture commodities, yesterday we have noticed that major agriculture commodity closed on a positive note like soybean and refined soya, and even if we check the spice segment also trading on a positive note, jeera and turmeric. Export demand expected to increase and domestic demand also expected to increase. This will provide support to all agriculture commodities. So for intraday perspective, we are recommending still buy in edible oils and also in spice segment. Thank you.